The earthquake that hit northern Japan this morning was incredibly powerful.
And it looks like some fire breaking out.
It's a crazy world we live in. I know I can't begin to understand the forces that change your life within. It's a scary world we live in. I know I can't begin to take away the sadness that changed you from within. And we're so far apart, a world of chance apart. I am so frightened I will never find you. But deep inside my heart, there is a place to start. When the ocean brings your tears to my door. It's a change.
시간が過ぎるのが遅いなんて離れたあなたを思い願い祈る一瞬に消えてしまった価値観
Change you from within. And we're so far apart, a world of chance apart. I am so frightened I will never find you. But deep inside my heart, there is a place to start. When the ocean
It's a tragedy. I try to ask God what it is, what my life should be. In spite of me, earthquake taking over like a clover. There's no luck, my fam is stuck, covered in water. Should I take my life or should I bother? When a tsunami, like a Tommy, kill everything like an army. It can't harm me, oh my soul. I'm getting old, I'm getting cold, freezing. I need a reason for breathing. It hurts so bad, LeBron in Cleveland. My phone beeping, my battery dead. No cops around, my hands are red blood. There's no love, I'm getting lonely. I pray for my fam and for my homies. Like a bag of gin, so sharp like a bobby pin. I'm